Welcome to Costa Rica, a land full of amazing wildlife. This small country is home to colorful birds, playful monkeys, slow moving sloths, and even powerful jaguars. Costa Rican's forests, beaches, and rivers are full of life. Whether you love birds, reptiles, or mammals, this place has it all. In this video, I will take you on a journey through Costa Rica's incredible wildlife. You will learn about beautiful birds, curious animals, fascinating reptiles, and the country's efforts to protect nature. Get ready for a wild adventure. Now, let's dive into the world of Costa Rica's animals. Costa Rica is a small country in Central America, but it has one of the most biodiverse places in the world. Even though it covers only 0.03% of the Earth's surface, it is home to about 5% of the world's species. This makes Costa Rica a paradise for nature lovers. The country has many different landscapes, including rainforests, cloud forests, beaches, rivers, and mountains. Each of these places is home to unique animals and plants. Because of its warm climate and rich environment, Costa Rica has thousands of species of birds, mammals, reptiles, amphibians, and insects. One of the best thing about Costa Rica is that it protects its nature. More than 25% of the land is part of national parks and protected areas. This helps keep the animals safe and allows them to live in their natural habitats. Many people visit Costa Rica to see its amazing wildlife close. In this video, I will explore Costa Rica's birds, mammals, reptiles, and how country protects its environment. Let's start with the beautiful birds of Costa Rica. Costa Rica is home to over 900 species of birds, making it a dream destination for bird watchers. The country's warm climate, forests, and wetlands provide the protect home for these amazing creatures. One of the most famous birds in Costa Rica is scarlet macaw. This large parrot has bright red, blue, and yellow feathers. It is often seen flying over the treetops or eating fruit in the rainforest. Scarlet macaws mate for life and are very social birds. Another amazing bird is the toucan. There are several types of toucans in Costa Rica, but the most famous is the keel-billed toucan. It has a large colorful beak that looks too big for its body. Toucans eat fruit, insects, and even small lizards. Costa Rica is also home to teeny but fast birds like hummingbirds. These birds flap their wings so quickly that they can hover in the air. They drink nectar from flowers and are important for pollination. There are more than 50 species of hummingbirds in Costa Rica. One of the most special birds in Costa Rica is the resplendent quetzal. This bird has bright green and red feathers, and its tail is long and beautiful. The quetzal is considered sacred by the ancient Mayans and Aztecs. Birdwatching in Costa Rica is a magical experience with so many colorful and unique birds. This is one of the best places. Mammals of Costa Rica. Costa Rica is full of interesting mammals, from small and playful monkeys to large and powerful big cats. One of the most common mammals in Costa Rica is the monkey. There are four main types: the howler monkey, spider monkey, capuchin monkey, and squirrel monkey. The howler monkeys are famous for their loud calls, which can be heard from miles away. Spider monkeys have long arms and legs, which help them swing through trees. Capuchin monkeys are very intelligent and often seen in national parks. Squirrel monkeys are small and fast, moving quickly through the forest. Another famous mammal is the sloth. Sloths are known for moving very slowly and spending most of their time in trees. There are two types: two-toed sloths and three-toed sloths. Sloths sleep for up to 20 hours a day and only come down from trees once a week to go to the bathroom. Costa Rica is also home to big cats, including jaguars, pumas, and ocelots. Jaguars are the largest wild cats in the Americas, but they are very hard to see. These animals are strong and excellent hunters. Many mammals in Costa Rica live in protected areas, making the country a great place to see them in the wild. Reptiles and amphibians of Costa Rica. Costa Rica is home to many reptiles and amphibians, including lizards, snakes, frogs, and turtles. One of the most common reptiles is the green iguana. These large lizards can grow up to 2 meters long. They love to sit in the sun and eat leaves, flowers, and fruits. Costa Rica is also home to dangerous snakes such as fordilons and eyelash viper. The fordilons is a venomous snake that is very dangerous to humans. The eyelash viper is small but has bright colors and a unique shape. One of the most famous amphibians in Costa Rica is the red-eyed tree frog. This small frog has bright green skin, red eyes, and blue and yellow stripes on its sides. It is active at night and uses its colors to scare predators. Costa Rica's beaches are home to sea turtles, including the leatherback turtle and green turtle. These turtles come to the beaches to lay their eggs in the sand. Many conservation programs help protect sea turtle from hunters and habitat destruction. With so many reptiles and amphibians, Costa Rica is a great place to see these fascinating creatures in their natural habitat. How to protect Costa Rica's nature and its wildlife. It is famous for its efforts to protect nature. More than 25% of country's land is protected as national parks, wildland refuges, and reserves. This helps keep animals and plants safe. One of the most famous national park is Corcovado National Park, which has jaguars, monkeys, and rare birds. Tortuguero National Park is important for protecting sea turtles. Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve is home to rare animals like the resplendent quetzal. Costa Rica has many programs to stop deforestation and protect endangered species. It also uses ecotourism, which means tourists visit without harming nature. Many people travel to Costa Rica to see wildlife in a responsible way. Because of its strong nature protection, Costa Rica remains one of the best places in the world for experience wildlife. That's the end of our journey through Costa Rica's amazing wildlife. Which animal is your favorite? Let us know in the comments.